If you are serious about sim racing, you know a good seat isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But finding one that balances budget, durability, and comfort can feel like searching for a unicorn. This is the racing seat, FN716, and while it might look like a standard black vinyl bucket, the claims behind its construction are what really caught our attention. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the commitment to quality, which starts with the packaging. They promise strict packaging, and they deliver. For a large item like this, knowing it's protected during transit is a huge relief. Once assembled, the seat lives up to its promise of being strong and practical. The manufacturer emphasizes high-quality materials, and while the color is a straightforward black and the material is vinyl, this choice is actually quite smart. Vinyl is incredibly durable and practical. It's easy to clean, which is essential after those long, sweaty endurance races. The structural integrity is where the safety claim comes into play. They state this seat is safe enough to use for a long time, implying that the frame and mounting points are robust. You need that confidence when you're throwing your weight around during hard braking or aggressive cornering. This seat feels rock solid, giving you the necessary feedback and stability without any unwanted flex or wobble. It's built to handle the stress of repeated, intense use, making it a genuinely practical long-term investment for your rig. Now let's talk about the service, because this is often the weak point for generic products, but here it's a massive selling point. They offer a satisfaction policy and promise 24-hour communication to solve any problems. That level of commitment removes almost all the risk associated with buying a generic component for your setup. Knowing that support is just a day away if you run into an issue with installation or fitment provides incredible peace of mind. Overall, the FN716 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their sim experience without breaking the bank. It delivers on its core promises. It's strong, practical, and backed by surprisingly excellent customer service. If you need a durable, no-nonsense racing seat that will last, this black vinyl FN716 is a seriously compelling choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.